They have built a 5 times cheaper internet bridge for millions left offline. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam envisioned technology as the great leveler for a new India, calling information the key to bridging rural-urban divide. But a bridge can't connect if millions are left standing on the other side. While our cities stream the future, much of rural India can't even download it. As per TRAI, over 25,000 villages have no mobile network at all. We cannot afford to leave over 300 million people, a population nearly the size of the United States, offline. Because a lack of connectivity isn't just a weak signal, it's a weaker future. It widens the gap in opportunity. Imagine if a student in a village could access the same live classes as one in a city. If a farmer could check real-time market prices as easily as checking the weather. If a nurse could send a patient's report to a specialist with just one click. This is the power of access. It turns a smartphone into a school, a mobile tower into a medical lifeline, a network into a new livelihood. This is the bridge we must build for the India we are meant to become. And this brave mission is what made two engineers turned entrepreneurs, Neha Satak and Prasad Bhatt, built a radical fix no one else had thought of. GigaMesh, a wireless bridge that can deliver fiber speed internet to the remotest corners of India.
How do we propel our society into a future where the socio-economic divide is the thing of the past and everyone has access to quality education and economic opportunities no matter where they are? We connect everyone to broadband internet because internet has the power to bridge the socio-economic divide as it opens the door for online education, remote healthcare, commerce, and much more. But to provide internet to rural areas is difficult with the current technologies. That's where my company Astrom comes in. We are a space technology company that aims to provide broadband internet from space using an army of high throughput satellites.
The best part, no cables required. So what makes GigaMesh a game changer? The fact that it is the world's first multi-beam E-band radio. It takes a single fiber connection and beams it wirelessly to dozens of villages at once. Think of it like a super powerful Wi-Fi router that can cover miles. Incredibly fast and cheap to deploy. No permission for poles, no heavy towers battling storms and dust. Just precise engineering built for India's toughest geographies. The result? Fiber-like internet speed at 1/5 the cost.
It's like connecting dots on a map where each Astrom's link will act as a bridge to the next link. This helps in establishing strong connectivity in hard to reach remote areas without having to dig up roads and laying cables.
Astrom has already connected 15 villages using GigaMesh through pilot projects with India's Department of Telecommunications. For the first time, students here can finally take online classes. Farmers can check crop prices and weather. Health centers can use telemedicine. And shopkeepers can accept UPI without failed signals. Doors have opened for online jobs, digital banking, quick access to government schemes, and a nationwide market for small entrepreneurs. In simple terms, GigaMesh isn't just connecting villages, it's unlocking education, income, and opportunity for millions.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟು ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು 5 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಏನು ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ತಂಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಯ್ತದೆ. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೂ ನಾವು ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಮ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ.
By 2026, Astrom aims to enable 1 million high-speed connections and train 2,500 rural youth to manage local network hubs. Neha and Prasad, who once saw a map divided by connectivity, now watch as their technology weaves it back together one wireless beam at a time. This is the Naya Bharat, where Nai Soch empowers every Indian in every pin code to claim their place in the digital future. Kalari Capital presents Uncommon Stories of Common People. Nai Soch, Naya Bharat, celebrating 20 years of venture investing, committed to building a product nation.